good buck. I think we're gonna move over and try and get a better look, see if we can get him on video a little closer. He's about 600 yards right now. It's the first day. He's a nice deer. I'm torn, but we're gonna go try and get a better look at it. He's got probably 4 inches of abnormal little extra points, one on each side. Pretty cool buck.
Well, Darr, here we are.
5th day of the hunt.
We've had a kind of tough hunt. The weather got warm.
Yeah, it's been pretty tough. Lots of bucks, just not any of the big ones.
Yeah, we saw a good buck the first night. We got some good video footage of it. Darr could have shot it at about, what, 280 yards?
Yeah.
Kind of went up on that rock pile. It was real.
Yeah,
real
got some
footage.
good video of him.
And we've hunted the last 4 days, and it's been tough. We haven't seen anything near like that buck, and been warm, no rutting activity.
Yeah.
Went in there today to try and find that buck again. We glassed him back up, and the shooting light, we were low on shooting.
A little late, but hopefully get in there in the morning and get him
so
shot.
Hopefully we can go find him tomorrow and get her done.
Yep. Sounds good.
Tomorrow's a big day.
2 days left.
Yeah, 2 days to go. We'll see how it goes.
Sounds good. There's some does in that little buck.
2 little bucks.
To the left.
2 little bucks and 2 does. But this other buck is headed right down to it.
Got the doe. There's a doe bedded where that buck went down. I think that buck's just in that little cut that we can't see. We sent Steve down on the ridge to keep an eye out the bottom. Jay and I are gonna go up top and see if we can just pop over and get a shot. Yeah, I see him.
You got him.
I got him.
Good shooting, Darr.
He's
got
down.
him.
He's down. Congratulations.
That's awesome.
That was cool.
Good shot. He was raking his antlers.
Yeah, raking. Looked like he bucked up when
Hey, it's gonna be cool.
Yeah.
Hunches up.
bucked up.
We saw this buck the first night,
Yeah.
and Darr got good video of him. Decided he wanted to keep hunting. Weather's been warm and tough, but we were able to get back on this buck last night.
Yeah.
Didn't have good shooting light. We wanted our buddy Steve to be with us, and so it all worked out perfect.
Glassed him up right at first light this morning. We've waited a couple hours to get close, but finally got him.
Good job.
Thanks.
Good shoot.
Thanks for the help. Still check him out. Can't beat this.
You got him, man.
Yeah, check him out.
Let me see him.
Couple extras.
Let me see him.
Pretty good buck. Short front here, we knew that. Big old body.
Good job, man.
Thank you.
Good job. You whacked him. He's got some extras, huh?
Got,
We knew he had short fronts.
yeah, we knew that. Couple extra points we saw. Looks like he's got, I don't know, at least 2 scoreable, maybe 3 scoreable extra points.
Yeah, yeah. Really neat buck.
Yeah.
It's been a tough hunt, though.
Been real tough.
The weather's been warm, and the deer, we thought they'd be rutting good.
Yeah, just now starting to act a little bit ruddy,
Yeah,
but not
exactly.
even ruddy. But
We thought for sure, what is today, the 10th of November?
yeah,
We thought they'd be really getting after it,
Yeah.
but we've had real warm weather. But you made a heck of a shot.
thanks.
Made a pretty cool stalk. That ridge we couldn't see over the lip.
Yeah, yeah, roll the hill. This buck's probably 400 yards from where we've seen him every time.
Yep.
Just worked out. Have to get our buddy Stevie in here in a minute.
Yeah, absolutely.
Check him out.
He's a neat character
nice
buck.
deer. Nice
Yeah,
deer.
absolutely. You've
Nice
shot
deer.
some nice deer here too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Not quite what we shot last year. He
Yeah.
shot the 214,
Yeah.
but this year was definitely tough. But
Nice buck.
nice buck, and
Good job.
thanks. Appreciate it.
All right. Walking down.
The way the
Yeah.
hill rolled.
Yeah.
He came out of the bottom where we could see him. He was raking a tree, and
How far was your shot?
it was probably 200, 225, somewhere in there.
He bucked up pretty cool in the video,
Yeah,
didn't
looked
he?
like I saw him in the scope jump up kind of on his hind legs and went probably, I don't know, 50 yards.
Yeah.
So
What do you think you'll score?
we figured he was going to be mid 80s, 180s.
Yeah.
Close to 190 probably.
Yeah, he's
Between
got
185 and 190.
2 extra points with a couple extra little knobby ones here.
Yeah.
He's probably, Steve, you thought he was 23 inches inside.
Yeah.
I think he'll be
Close,
to that. We knew
Good
his
main
front
beams.
forks were
Real good main beams.
a little short.
Yeah. Yeah, I mean, his back forks are good.
Back
He's got
forks are
these
great.
kickers.
The extra points, we hadn't seen anything bigger. Real happy with him. He's a nice deer. He's my biggest mule deer so
Big
far.
old body on him.
Big body
Big
deer,
body.
yeah.
Good
Made
job,
a good
man.
shot. Had a good time. So can't beat that.
Any
It's fun.
Well, it sure is a nice deer.
Yeah. Thanks
a
again.
lot, Steve.
No, I enjoyed
Appreciate
it. I enjoyed it, guys.
Thanks a lot.
It's always
It was
fun
a good
hunting with you
time.
guys.
All right.
It's a nice deer. Big bodied old deer. Shoot. It's about as good as you can hit one right there, huh?
That 257's deadly.
It is.